Let's explore how to create an order request using the form functionality. Say you need to get an order picked up from a customer named Michael and deliver it to another customer named David. This would mean that you need to create a pickup and delivery order request. To do so, click the order request icon on the left navigation bar, click the Add button, and then select Pickup and Delivery. Enter the order request number or click this icon to generate one automatically. Enable the Allow Return and Cancellation toggles if needed. Input pickup and delivery details, such as Michael and David's addresses, and click Proceed. This will lead you to the next screen where you will be able to add the packaging details for your order request. We will cover this in detail in the order packaging section of the tour. Next, input other details, such as the preferred payment mode, any specific skill set requirements, original order value, and discount, if any. Review the final order value and click Get Quotes. Select your desired quote from the options available. Click Proceed to review the order request summary and choose Submit to submit the order request. Once the request is created, you will be able to view it in the order request list. This list further provides you options to delete, cancel, clone, and more. Let's begin by setting up a profile for your organization. Click the Settings icon on the left navigation bar and go to Organization Profile. This is where you can specify your logo, company name, the required contact details, billing address, and more. The details you enter here are shared with the dispatcher for communication and invoicing purposes. Hence, ensure you enter the correct details. Once done, click Save, and voila, you are all set. Let's add a customer named David. To do so, click the customer's icon on the left navigation bar. Now, click the Add button on the top right corner. Fill in essentials like the customer ID, which is a unique alphanumeric identifier assigned to every customer, name, email, contact details, and customer type, just in case you want to categorize your customers into different groups. Specify David's billing address by entering the details manually or via Google search. To add the details using Google search, search the location using the search bar and select the relevant address to auto-populate the remaining fields. Once done, click Proceed. Similarly, enter David's shipping address details. You can provide multiple shipping addresses and save them in the customer master. For each address, specify a unique identifier in the Address ID field to distinguish the addresses. Enter the time required to service the customer at this address, their break time, and any additional contacts. Click Save to secure these details in the customer master. Once you click the Save button to add the shipping address of the customer, you will be taken to the shipping address list where you can add or update the shipping address as needed. Once done, click Save. Let's say you need to make a slight adjustment to one of David's addresses. Here's how you can do so using the Update Customer form. Click the customer's icon on the left navigation bar. Select David from the list, go to the Actions button, and select Update in the drop-down menu. The Update Customer form will appear. Head to the shipping address screen and locate the address card you want to update. Click the pencil icon and enter the new details, as needed. Once you enter the necessary information, you will be able to view if any active orders are linked to the address you are updating. To do so, click the Total Impacted Orders option to view the list of orders that will also be updated with the newly provided address. Then, click Save to save the modified address and click Update. When placing an order request, you will be able to add either just package details or both package and item details. Let's explore the order request creation process when you're adding package details only. While creating an order request, navigate to the Package Details page. Here, you have two choices. First, you can select packaging from the package master, encompassing packages you've added and those offered by the dispatcher. To do so, click the Select from Package Master option, enter the relevant package name or code, and click the Add Package button. Alternatively, you have the option to add new packages specific to this order request, distinct from those in the package master. To add new packages specific to this order request, click the Add New Package option, enter the package details, and click the Add Package button. Note that these order-specific packages won't be included in the package master. Once you save all the packages, review the package details list for further actions such as editing or deletion. If you are able to provide both item and package details, here is how the flow will look. After inputting the order request details like order request number, address, etc., you will be taken to the item details page. Here, you can add item specifics by choosing items from the item master or by individually adding items via the Add Item form. After adding the items, go to the item details list for details like name, unit price, quantity, etc., where you can edit or delete items as needed. Upon defining item details, you can access system-suggested packaging on the Get Quotes page. Here, you can update or delete packages, as per your requirements. You can also revert to the original suggestion by clicking Restore the system's original packaging recommendation. This page also offers you the capability to configure packages, as per your requirements. You have the options to request packaging from the dispatcher, select packages from the package master, or add individual packages. Click the Exceptions icon on the left navigation bar. This is where all the exceptions raised by your dispatcher are listed. You can view all the orders against which the exceptions have been raised and access exception details along with their statuses. That is, whether they are still open or have been resolved or rejected. You can also view the time at which the exception got raised, resolved, or rejected. Apart from this, if you want to download a list of all the exceptions in the system, simply click the download icon to download an Excel sheet containing all the exception details.